The 3 silent killers that exist in your prompts you didn't know. First, vague instructions. When your prompt says, "Write something good," the AI doesn't think, it guesses, and gives the most mediocre outputs. Second, 0 examples. You're literally asking AI to read your mind. Think of it like hiring a freelancer who knows nothing. 1 example in your prompt teaches more than a paragraph of instructions. Third, no constraints. That means no word limit, no format, no audience, no output structure. An unconstrained AI is like a contractor with no blueprint. Constraints don't limit AI, they liberate it. Here's the uncomfortable truth. AI didn't fail you, the prompt did. But there's a system to fix it. Prompting isn't art, it's engineering. We've broken down 11 prompting styles in a guide built for people who use AI at work. To explore them, read the blog.